So now I'm setting these tiles. I'm ready to getting ready to mark my lines to guide place. Well, here I have a good alignment there on that edge there. But where the tile meets the hallway there, I've got a little bit of a gap on the stained concrete. So I'm going to go ahead and set those tiles where I've marked them. But that right there, well, then I'm going to fill it in with some stained concrete along there. That little area right there. So now I've marked a red line as a guide for the tile. I'm going to lay against that wall there. Against this wall, there's a red line there that's about 4 1/8 inches. 4 1/8 inches off that wall. There. Now I've begun to install some floor tile in this bathroom. We'll start from those 2 walls and work toward the other corner. So I've got more floor tile laid on the floor there. There. I have one grout line here. Has a bit of a gap right there. That one right there. That's wider than what you can see here, and it gets wide right about there. Let's see here. Right about here is where it begins to drift. But since the tub is going to be over this, the tub will be covering this, so I'm not going to worry about trying to fix it. But if I were to fix it, I would remove these tiles, find some that are about 1/16 of an inch longer, and move more this way to fill that gap. So here we installed a mirror in the bathroom that's 63 inches wide and 33 inches tall. Nice addition.